Welcome to South Bend, Indiana. My name is Nick Buckley. I'm the plant manager here at the South Bend Forging Facility, which is part of Eaton's Vehicle Group. We have over 110 teammates, 8 forge presses, and a cross wedge roll.
The South Bend produces 3 different products: a precision forging, a traditional forging, and a shaft from our new cross wedge roll for Class 8 trucks for our Truck North America operations. Our traditional and precision forging operations are similar in that we start with billets in the loader area. We run those billets through a vibrating bowl that runs them down through a track and through our induction coils that actually heat the steel up to anywhere from 1850 degrees to 2250 degrees. Teammates take those and run them through the forge press by using anywhere from 1,600 to 3,000 tons of force to move the steel into the size and shape that the customer requires. The cross wedge roll is a unique machine in that there are only 8 in the world that we know of. This was a machine that we bought from Belarus, and it allows us to roll 200,000 shafts a year that were previously made by a competitor with a hammer press.
What makes us unique here in South Bend is our 5 basic concepts: safety first, trust, mutual respect, communication, and involvement. These are the foundational pillars of which our organization is built on.
I think the biggest safety initiative right now going on is our Choose Zero. Basically, it's an opportunity for all the teammates to actually choose what's safe and what's not safe and actually make that decision.
We encourage all of our teammates to actively be involved in identifying and removing hazards in the workplace. Everyone's involvement will lead us to be a zero-incident facility.
We've gone through and replaced a lot of our old machinery, a lot of antiquated machinery. We've put safeguards on a lot of our presses. We've actually made great strides in the last 3 or 4 years.
The continuous improvement framework is essentially creating a culture that exposes problems in the workplace and encourages our teammates to actively and rapidly fix those problems and, more importantly, learn from the issues that occurred. We implemented a very simple visual control in the shop floor in the form of a red bin process, which allows both teammates and frontline leaders to see defects quickly and early in the process. We managed to reduce our internal PPM by 80% within 1 month of its installation.
One of my responsibilities is to lead the quality of work life team, and that team has representatives from every department in the plant. We have tool room, maintenance, quality, forge teams, and staff. Their responsibility is to assure that all policies and guidelines are consistent with our culture.
The team concept is alive and well here. I work with 4 other team members. They teach me, I teach them. We work together to accomplish our goals.
Every Wednesday we have a Take 2 meeting, which is based on our safety programs, our Stop for Safety. People are empowered to the point that if they feel something is unsafe, they'll shut the press down. They'll even shut the plant down if they have to. One of the biggest things is our safety gimbal walks, where we actually go out with the coaches and teammates out on the floor and look for safety abnormalities and try to correct them either through our maintenance department correcting an issue, or if you have the opportunity to correct it right then and there, you do it.
Our team is very active in the communities in which we live and work.
We have great participation, whether it be funding or people donating their time towards helping to make the event successful. And that's what it's really about, the satisfaction in helping people. We not only talk the talk, we walk the walk.
We're probably closer to being a family than we are a team, and that's probably the biggest reason why I've been here for 21 years.
Our unique culture provides us with a distinct competitive advantage that helps us produce quality products in a safe working environment. South Bend is a wonderful place to work.
South Bend's 5 basic concepts are:
Safety is always first.
Trust.
Mutual respect.
Can I write it down?
Communications, that's the one I forgot.
Just say involvement again.
Involvement.
Yay!